Have you ever wished you could reconnect with someone you love, even when they're miles away? Today, we'll show you how to bridge that gap and manifest a deeper connection through the power of meditation. Welcome to this journey of love and connection. Today, we will explore a powerful technique to bring you closer to the one you hold dear in your heart. By the end of this video, you'll have experienced the profound joy of reconnecting with your loved one on a deeper level. Thank you for choosing to spend this time with me. If you're longing to bridge the distance between you and someone special, you're in the right place. Together, we'll embark on a meditation that not only soothes the soul, but also simulates the heartfelt conversation you've been yearning for. Before we begin, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and let's take a few deep breaths together. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And exhale gently through your mouth. Feel the tension melt away with each breath. Let's do this 2 more times. Now, allow your mind to drift to a peaceful place, a sanctuary where you feel safe and content. It could be a beach, a forest, or even a cozy room with a warm fire. As you settle into this space, imagine a gentle light surrounding you, filling you with warmth and love. This is your personal haven, where anything is possible. In the distance, you notice a figure approaching. With each step they take, their features become clearer. It's them, the person you've been longing to connect with. They smile warmly at you, and you feel a surge of happiness wash over you. They come closer and sit beside you. For a moment, you both share a comfortable silence, simply enjoying each other's presence. I've missed you so much. Every day, every moment, you've been in my thoughts. Being away from you has made me realize just how much you mean to me. I want you to know that my feelings for you are deeper than words can express. You're the light in my life, the one who makes everything better just by being there. Feel their sincerity. Hear the emotion in their voice. This is your moment to share as well. Take this opportunity to tell them what's in your heart. Express your feelings openly and honestly. Remember, this is a safe space where your deepest emotions are welcomed and cherished. Thank you for sharing that with me. It means the world to hear you speak from your heart. I want nothing more than to be by your side, to share life's journey together. Feel the connection between you strengthen. The air is filled with mutual love and understanding. Hold on to this feeling. It is real and it is powerful. No matter the distance or the time apart, my love for you grows stronger every day. Being with you is what I desire more than anything else in this world. As this conversation comes to a gentle close, know that this connection is always available to you. The love you share transcends any physical boundaries. Your loved one stands up, takes your hand, and looks into your eyes. Until we meet again, remember that you are always in my heart. They slowly fade back into the distance, leaving you with a profound sense of peace and joy. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. Take a moment to reflect on what you just experienced. The happiness and love you felt are not mere imaginings. They are a testament to the deep connections we hold within our hearts. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. Let it inspire you to reach out, to be open to the possibilities that love brings. Remember, the universe responds to the energy we emit. By embracing these positive emotions, you attract more of the same into your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope this meditation brought you closer to the joy and fulfillment you deserve. If you found value in this experience, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content that nurtures the soul. Share your experiences in the comments below. I love hearing your stories and witnessing the incredible community we're building together. Until next time, keep your heart open and your spirit free. The love you seek is always within reach.